Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly Euro Yen, I do definitely think this is the end of a wave 3, and if that's the case, then we are very likely in a corrective wave 4, which this is the monthly time frame, so you have to keep in mind this wave 4 is probably going to last at least 8 months, maybe even longer before it actually goes up again and makes a wave 5. And corrections are usually very overlapping, so definitely be aware of that. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I definitely think this is all part of a wave A of wave 4. I'm really not even convinced the wave A is over yet. I still think we might have to have one more push down to finish off the wave A. So taking it down to the daily time frame is where you can see what I mean, because on the daily, to me, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3. I think this is likely a wave 4. I think we are very likely to push down again for a wave 5, just to finish off this wave A trend. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. I'm personally waiting for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm waiting for that big engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure. Until I actually see this picture right here, I'm just kind of in a waiting game. If you are trading the very short time frames, you definitely could have been looking for longs for pretty much all week. I think this is likely a wave 4, and I think likely it will bounce from one of these fib levels and go down again for a wave 5. It could possibly drift out to the 61.8, so make sure you see this picture right here before you do enter to the short side. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if you are a very short time frame trader, you could definitely still be looking for longs. If it does make that Fibonacci bounce with a big engulfing move down with a break of structure, then I will definitely stop looking for longs and definitely start looking for shorts again. I think this is still likely a wave 4. I still think this is a wave 3, and I still think it needs to go down again for a wave 5. And this is all still part of a wave A on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.